There he goes. It's hard to see him. He's flying lower. You hear the buzz? Hear the buzz? It sets off a buzz. That's what they do. They fly around in the area, and they fly over top of the target's home, or in the area where the target is, and it sets off a buzz, like an electromagnetic wave goes through. That's what they're using. Look at how it's blinking. See how you can see the atmosphere is blinking with electromagnetic static energy all over on the fence. Hear that whining sound? That droning like noise? Well, they can just kiss me where the good Lord split me, because I am going to continue doing exactly what I'm doing until the day I die, which ain't gonna be today. Bye.